Hello everyone, my name is Sam and welcome back to Cooking with Sam, and this is episode 3! Oh my Seth, you really have outdone yourself this time. I'm not sure what to think of your grape and porridge mixture, but I like the creativity. It's better than your first one. Alright, I think now I need to top yours again, Seth, because I always seem to top them. I'm going to be making my own version of creamy rice, but you'll see, it's so much better. I'm going to cook the rice from scratch, but you guessed it, in the microwave. You'll see more as we go along, but let's have a look at the ingredients. Alright, quite simple. Today we've got some rice, pasty cheese, some butter, luncheon, baked beans, and then our trusty bowl. I think it's about time, though, that we get this underway. So, for starters, we've got to cook the rice. That's going to be quite easy, but might as well show you how I'm going to do it. So we need a decent-sized cup, and we're just going to pour a cupful of rice. Now, you're supposed to wash rice. I never bother. I don't see the point. It takes time, and you know, we don't have the spare time on Cooking with Sam. See that? Looking great. So you got to run your hot tap for a little bit, get some hot water, and you just want to get 2 cups of hot water from the tap. So that's one. We'll just grab the second cup now, and then we're ready to hop on to the next step. Alright, so we're going to want to come over to the microwave, and we're going to want to pop this in the microwave, the water and rice, because this will be quite awesome. So we'll shut it. Every microwave is different. I'm just going to give mine about 15 minutes, and yeah, after that's cooked, we'll be back. Alright, the rice is just about done, so we'll be done in a minute. What was that? It sounded like it came from outside. Where is he? There. I am the god of toilet paper. And I've come from the toilet to tell you it's time to stop this madness. You'll never win. Sam is just too good at cooking. Guys, look, I think it's finished. Yes, it's finished. Alright, let's start cooking. I'm telling you what, this looks absolutely amazing. We need ingredients. So, let's just get everything here. Alright, where to start? We need a grater. Got the grater. We need the cheese. Got the cheese. We need to grate the cheese. Cheese grated. We need to get the cheese and put it in the rice. Mix it. Very good. Next, we need butter. Never cut towards yourself. It's a bad practice, kids. As you can see, I'm fine. Haven't died yet. Mix that butter in. Okay. The butter is melted in. Basically, there's a bit there. It's fine. It's melted in. Alright, use this board. Again, just like eat all the cheese that's left over. Very good for you. This stuff. We need a lot of this stuff. A lot. Yes, alright. Yeah, this should mix in really nicely, guys. Open the can of booked bones. Not all the way, because if you open it right there, right, you can sort of flip it up. Oh, genius. Give them a good old slop. And then mix these beans into the rice. And then, look at that. We'll give it a taste test. Very good. Pepper. Tomato sauce! Get some. Bob it in. About how much. Mix that in. Very tomatoey. Okay. We've reheated this amazing food. Very tomatoey. Very hot too. I know what I can add to this to make it taste so much better. Hash browns! Alright, I think they're ready. I think they need cutting up. Alright, chop them up. In fact, just mash them. And then we're gonna put them into this. Oh yes. I think we've made it nicer. You know, I'm not really sure what this is anymore. But I like it. Oh, I like it. This is so tasty. Alright. Alright, ladies and gents, I'll catch you in the next video. And Seth, you know what to do.